You can see a power line just blew up outside, all over the car, all over everything else. You see it? There it is. On the floor still. Whoa. You can hear all the sirens and everything. It's a major ordeal around here. You got fire department. Came off that line, I think. There it goes. You see the flash? Here they come. There they go. Somewhere around there. There it is. You can smell it. I wonder what they're doing down there. Oh, I think somebody's house is on fire. Look at this. We have people with fire hydrants. They hear them yelling at each other. They're all down there. I have no clue. My mom's the one that called in. But it's right behind our house, and there's just another engine. We're pulling them in left and right. I got about fire in my hair. It's cold. You can see the wind is picking up. Oh my god. Alright, get this thing open. There it goes. Is there like some fire down there? It's up on there. It's right around there somewhere. Can't see, it's too dark. There it goes. Whoa. It's good to have on electrics. There it goes. There it goes again. First. There it goes. They don't even know what are they doing. If I blew up. And as soon as my car blows up, I wonder what they're gonna do. I ain't got no gas anymore. My leaves are on fire though. And glitter. Someone's face is on fire. Right there, that fireman's at. He's got the dog out. Oh, my house ain't catching fire. He's got a dog. What a hero. I wish I'd have had the camera when it blew up. The thing was all over. Oh, sparks everywhere. Landed on my car. Landed everywhere. I want to go back here again and record some of this carnage in my backyard. There's someone's flashlight. There it goes again. And they're not doing anything to fix it. God dang. Alright, do that wind. Another line popping down. We always leave. There it is. There. You can hear power lines going down all over the place. Oh my god. goes again. Ease. Yeah, it's still going on. I was looking out my window right when it exploded. I just looked out there for no reason because it's starting to blow hard. Boom!
Say right there's another. Is that a transformer right up there too?
Yeah, that one blew up too. You smell it. Wow.
Central's power was going on and off all day.
Yeah. Shoot, we got construction at Memorial, dude. I bet you all that stuff blew around over there.
Oh, shit. Went piling off and something blew in the back. I think it was a cable. Dog, they couldn't find the dog and it was sleeping.
Yeah, I know. I saw the firemen carrying him out on this. Check that out. I'm in the backyard now. They finally come. Look at that. As you can see, her boyfriend just pulled in. I don't know. They're stupid. Yeah. Get out the way. House caught on fire. Whoa! I just got hit by. Ow! Oh, that hurt. That hit me right in the face. That hit me in the neck. You can see the wire now. Snapped it. You can't see it. I can twisted the top of the pole. Wow. Man, this is only 50 mile an hour wind. Imagine what a tornado would be like. Uproot those telephone poles. Okay, this is the next day. Yeah, I'll get to that. As you can see, there's the main problem of last night. It's a big tree that fell down. Clipped all these wires. Clipped it all. Broke that off. They fixed that, I guess. Snapped the line off that wire. It came down here. I'll show you. There's some of the burn marks it left. A piece of wire. Came all the way over here by my car.